time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be me.
Welcome to episode 7 of Dance Simplified. Today we will learn the Biz Markie dance, Alf dance and the box step dance. Let's start with the Biz Markie. Hop to the right while facing forward, boom. Slightly turn to the right while twisting your left leg, boom. And then hop to the left while facing forward, boom. Slightly turn to the left while twisting your right leg, boom. Let's add your arms in this move. When hopping to the right, simply open both of your hands at the same time, boom. And when you turn to the right, punch to the right side with your left hand, boom. Similarly, when you hop to the left side, open both of your hands simultaneously, boom. And as you turn to the left, punch with your right hand at the same time, boom. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's learn the Alf dance. Create an opposite V shape with your feet and bend both knees, boom. Lift your left foot up like this, boom. When lifting your left foot, simultaneously twist your right foot, boom. Doing it together will look like this, boom. Now bring it back to the opposite V shape position, boom. And do the same on the right side. Lift your right foot up, at the same time twist your right leg, boom. And then come back, boom. Let's do it from the start with the count to make it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add your hands and body to this move. Raise both arms like this, boom. Now lower both arms to the left corner as if you are casting a net like Spider-Man, boom. Now while doing this, rock your body backward at the same time, boom. Come back to the same position, boom. And do the same on the right side, boom, boom. Let's incorporate feet, hands and body movements together. When your feet are in an opposite V shape, your hands should be raised, boom. This is your starting position. Lift left foot up, lower hands to the left corner simultaneously, boom. Bring it back, boom. Now lift right foot up, lower hands to the right corner simultaneously, boom. Bring it back, boom. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move on to the final dance move in this video, box step. Stand straight, shoulder width apart, step to the front with your right foot. When you do that, right foot should align with the left foot to make a straight line. Now cross with left foot to the right side, boom. Step to the back with right foot and again align with the left foot, boom. And step back your left foot, boom. Now step to the front with your left foot. Just like before, both of the foot should align to make a straight line. Now cross with right foot to the left side, boom. Step to the back with left foot and again align with the right foot, boom. And step back your right foot, boom. So it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's learn the arm movements. Lift your left hand and simultaneously rock your body backward, boom. And then lift your right hand and simultaneously rock your body backward again, boom. So it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's bring it all together. Make sure to lift the opposite hand to the foot you're stepping with. For example, if you're stepping with your right foot, lift your left hand and vice versa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the steps we have learned with the count. Biz Markie dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alf Dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Box step dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now let's do them with the music.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your...
Even if it's just a bit, I hope I was able to teach you something today. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. If you'd like to know more moves of hip hop dance as a beginner, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.